Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0xA00F4244 no camera attached error, then please watch this video. Now, while the solution has been mentioned on the Microsoft support forum, the problem with the solution is that it's not conclusive. I mean, we know that the issue is with the driver, so we'll address it first. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for camera drivers. Right click on this one and then select update drivers and then search automatically for drivers. Does this work? Well, in many cases it can, but then you can go and search for Intel camera drivers if you're using an Intel computers, or if you're using an AMD computer, then you have a separate software to install them. Okay, so we do not have separate camera drivers for Intel. Now in this case, the best that you can do is right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options, select optional updates, and then check if there is any update left here in optional updates, especially driver updates. Then click on download and install. Make sure that all drivers are up to the latest date. And this is the only fix that you can do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.